All right, so we've got this general rule of planting. You don't plant until May Long weekend, or Victoria Day, as it's called here in Canada, because you might get frost. But there's a rule that we always forget about. It always rains on May Long. It always rains. It doesn't seem to go without rain. So as predicted, it's gonna rain this weekend. It's already started to rain a bit today, which is great because we needed some moisture. So yeah, it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna have to accelerate my push to get the garden in and to break some ground, rototill some stuff, which increases the urgency of this matter, as it's probably gonna rain a lot, and if it rains a lot, it's just gonna be too wet and too gumbo-y to do anything outside. And then I'm gonna have to wait for the ground to dry. So over the next few days, I'm gonna push real hard to get the garden in and break some ground, so it's gonna be busy. Started breaking ground yesterday, and we're able to achieve somewhat of success. Well, no, actually we didn't achieve any success. The ground was hard. It's been really dry. It's been really, really dry here. So the ground was super dry, and we weren't able to get any movement. We were able to break a little bit of the topsoil, but not a lot. My brother-in-law came over with a rototiller, tiny little tractor rototiller, and did his best to break some ground. But really, we didn't get that much broken. It's probably my fault, is because we should have wet it down. We should have soaked that ground, and it was just so dry, it was like breaking rock. When it gets this dry, it's bad. So I'm gonna wet it down. Hopefully the rain today helped, and we can get some more stuff in the ground, more ground broken up. Hopefully the rain today helped to loosen up that ground, and I can get in there with a hand rototiller and break up some more of that soil, and hopefully we can get things done before the weekend comes, or it's gonna have to be before the weekend because, well, the storms are coming, which is great. We need water. It is really, really dry. Follow us on our social media, subscribe to this channel, hit that bell.